What?
You putting a camera in his face and recording him for YouTube. You want your hair yet?
He just got